Hello, my name is Andrew. I'm a rising freshman in the Palo Alto High School, and today I completed my first milestone. So this is my vacuum robot, it's almost complete. But right here, my first milestone was to connect the sensors and the motors to my Arduino. So if my sensors detect a wall or an object, then the motors will react to it and hopefully turn away. So in this example, I'm just gonna be the wall or obstruction. So let me just plug in my battery. And if you saw there, I was obstructed, so this sensor detected that there's something in the way, so it turned backwards and then turned away and turned right. So let's talk about the electronics. I have these two infrared sensors that are connected to my two analog pins in the Arduino Uno, and I have these two motors that are connected to my H-bridge that are connected to my Arduino as well. So the reason why I use this H-bridge is so I can change the directions for the motors. So you actually have two inputs actually for each motor, so that allows you to make the motor turn in one direction and change it the other direction as well. So that allows you to go forward, backwards, right, and left. So right here I have my 1300 milliamp hour 3-cell battery, which will be providing 12.6 volts at fully charged, and that will go into my H-bridge, and this battery will be providing power to these motors because they need a lot of power to move. And in here in the H-bridge, it has a 5-volt step-down regulator, which is going to turn your 12.6 volts down to 5 volts. That will be powering your infrared sensors as well as the Arduino. So these two input pins for each of these motors are connected to my PWM pins in my Arduino, and the reason for that is that I'm using pulse width modulation is so it allows me to actually change the speed of the motors, so I can either make it go really fast or really slow. And I'm using the analog pins for my infrared sensors, so I'm using it as an input, so whatever values my infrared sensors are giving to my Arduino, it will take those values, and I have a conditional statement in my code that will take the values of the sensor, and if it detects an object like my hand, then it will tell these motors to go backwards and turn away from it. So yeah.